Go. Come on, boys. Let's go. We just got to get to the building. Come on.
Just a day ago, everything was normal. Now I have no idea where my family is. I'm hungry and I'm cold. Now I have to survive.
Ernie, where are you? I'm not playing hide and seek today.
Scared you.
No, you didn't. Now get out of there. You smell like a rotten pig.
You didn't mean that, did you?
No, I don't. Now you should know that. Let's go.
I had been going to school for a while now. I had some friends, but we kind of drifted apart after last year.
I found his hole! I found King Rattler! I found his hole! We can get him! Hey, do you want to come?
Yeah, I would love to go.
Let's go!
King Rattler was one of the biggest, meanest snakes out on this prairie land. He had been terrorizing the land for years.
So here's the creek. I've got my 2 dead mice.
I got my axe. I got my knife.
I got me shovel.
All right, I'll lay down the mice right here. All right, everyone over here. Now, we just sit and wait. Just stop it. All right, I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom.
All right.
You do that. Oh, what's up, Doc? Oh, there.
Oh, what
there he is, right there. Throw him.
Hello.
Get him.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Hey, take my jacket.
Yeah.
How'd that feel?
Hurt.
Our pa said it's gonna be a bad winter.
How'd you know?
All the birds have gone south early. All right, see you all later.
I need to get home. And now.
Where were you, bro? I was so worried. You're slapping. Go ahead.
I just cooked up some dinner. You hungry?
Yes, starving actually. That snow would start melting.
I know, and I'm so excited.
Yeah, I bet you are. Say, while Dad and I are piling some snow, how about you draw some pictures and I'll judge them later.
Oh, yes, I will. All right, class. What is 4 times 4? Landon?
16.
Good job.
Everybody get in the wagon! Yo, it's a blizzard! We gotta go! Get up, come on!
Okay, people in blue over here. People in gray right here. Small children with me. Let's go. Get in.
Come on, let's go.
Get on, let's go.
All right, we're ready to go.
Whoa!
Ah!
All right.
Come on, boys.
I think there should be a house up here.
Would it be right over here?
I don't know. It's hard to tell with this. A haystack. Start punching. Keep punching. Come on. Tell me a math problem.
9 times
9 times 8. That's 72.
8.
Peter,
Yo!
what is 6 times 4?
64!
No, that's not it.
24!
Yep. Ben, why are you so tall?
Cause milk.
We all took turns telling poems, quizzing each other to keep us awake. It was starting to get too cold, though. Too cold for me to stay awake. My eyelids were getting heavier and heavier. I knew what falling asleep did to you. You never woke up, but I couldn't help it.
I'm fine.
my God, Johnny.
Look who's up.
You want some eggs?
Yeah.
Here you go.
1. All right, class. What is 6 times 4?
24.
16.
All right, everyone in. Am I in next?
Yeah.
I just got thumbs, but ah!
How am I supposed to finish?
What are you doing?
Tom, what are you doing? What? Ah!
Ain't no swearing.
Bro, you're no way you're gonna fit.
No, I will. I'm gonna fit.
Ah!
I just gotta put my feet back here.
All right, Landon.
Let me get in here.
Sorry, Steak. You're getting a face full of booty.
I got 3 of them in my face.
Oh, fudge.
Ah, I felt a finger.
Bro, I can't get in any further.
Yeah. Dominic, what were you doing?
I don't know. Bad idea.
All right, out.